Why is Jesus in the business of loving the broken so passionately? Here's why. Because it's our brokenness that draws the power of God for the world to see. And we spend so much time trying to prove to the world how fixed we are. The plastic, religious, pretty, wonderful pieces of our life, that's not the kind of bride Jesus is looking for. But if you sit here today and you find yourself broken, misunderstood, struggling, wondering where in the world God is right now, I've been crying out to him and he hasn't been answering you. You are beautiful to him. That's exactly the kind of bride that Jesus is looking for.